Hi, I'm Afsha from Cookoo Kids, and I believe in 5 R's. There's reduce, which means we try to reduce the waste that we create. Reuse, we try to reuse things like bottles or containers once the items in them have finished. Recycle, again, plastic and newspapers. Refuse, saying no to cutlery or plates at buffets even if they are biodegradable. And repurpose, which is my personal favorite because it involves taking something old and that has served its purpose and turning it into something nifty and fun. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take an old t-shirt and turn it into a tote bag that you can take when you go shopping. This t-shirt belonged to my son when he was 3 years old. He's outgrown it. I didn't want to donate it because it's got quite a few stains on it, paint splatter, which happens a lot with my son. And it's still really nice, so I didn't want to turn it into kitchen rags as yet. So in order to make your own tote bag, what you're going to need is a t-shirt. Any size is fine. You can use your own t-shirt or you can use one that belongs to your parents. And what you need is a pair of scissors. That's right, just a pair of scissors, no needle, no thread, no fancy sewing machine. This is a really easy thing to do, and I hope you'll be taking a lot of your old stuff that's not good enough to donate and yeah, turning them into like shopping bags that you can take to the supermarket once lockdown has been lifted.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. But we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.